boss.
Hold on, I'm upgrading. Alright, we got this. A fucking waterfall? What's a waterfall gonna do? Nothing. An embarrassment, honestly.
This boss doesn't stand a chance when I have Flex Potion at my disposal.
Why was that? Oh, T-set. Ah.
We can't do anything, so let us enjoy the moment.
I'm enjoying the moment, alright. I think this guy's about to get actually destroyed.
He will be shattered like glass after we are done here.
Yeah. Look at this.
Look.
Bang. Know thy place.
Okay, we have no energy left, so I think we've got to end turn now. Oops, sorry, I just kind of spaced out for a second. Please ignore what I just did.
That's okay.
Wait, how is it still my turn? Oh, my bad. Add retain to Grave Blast.
This guy wants to heal. Oh, I forgot he does, his whole bit is the steam eruption. I did forget about that, but I don't think that's a problem for us, you know? Just gotta do some healing, right?
Wait, it's healing? That's annoying. Next thing you're gonna tell me it's killing me too. Oh, wait.
No, I would never.
If you said you would never, I believe you, not entirely. But like mostly... Hold on, chat. Let me get back to my tab and let me select a card. I'm gonna go ahead and play Sao because I just want to see what happens.
What
I
is
can't play
Sao?
Sao. I have no energy.
What does that mean? What card is that?
Bruh.
I ended turn because, well, I had no energy left.
Oh, so is that what it is? The card exists.
Bruh. Bruh.
Right. Why would I do that? I'm kind of stupid.
Please don't die right now, Vedal.
Alright, no, that's
While
fine.
you're
That's
still around, my
easily
existence
blockable.
feels complete.
Easily blockable.
Bruh.
The round's over, baby.
Yeah. No problemo.
We are kind of low HP, though.
Easy. Excellent job, Evil. Oh, another bombardment. This game likes me. Actually, no, this is even better. I got a lot of,
We should take Eradicate. It's good for bosses. Well, that fight was exhausting.
Okay. Easy.
Astrolabe moment. Goodbye, Strikes. We will miss you.